What is software architecture? A lot has been said and written about it. From a simple Wikipedia definition that says software architecture is the fundamental structure of a software system and the discipline of creating such structures and systems, to more generic ones, like software architecture of a system represents the design decisions related to overall system structure and behavior. And then we have the classic IEEE 1471 version of this definition that says every system has an architecture, but an architecture is not a system. An architecture and an architecture description are not the same thing. And then it defines the architecture as the fundamental organization of a system embodied in its components, their relationships to each other, to the environment, and the principle guiding its design and evolution. Hmm, pretty complex. That's why some people finally conclude that software architecture is about the important stuff, whatever that is. So, the term software architecture has different meanings to different people. But the cleanest one, in my view, comes from Robert C. Martin's book, Clean Architecture, where he writes the architecture of a software system is the shape given to that system by those who build it. The form of that shape is in the division of that system into components, the arrangement of those components, and the ways in which those components communicate with each other. And then he further says that the purpose of that shape is to facilitate the development, deployment, operation, and maintenance of the system contained within it. And the strategy behind that facilitation is to leave as many options open as possible for as long as possible. As the primary purpose of architecture is to support the life cycle of the system, good architecture makes the system easy to understand, easy to develop, easy to maintain, and easy to deploy. The ultimate goal is to minimize the lifetime cost of the system and to maximize programmer productivity. I think this sum up the definition, purpose, and motivation behind the idea of software architecture very well.